Continuing your study or commencing your study with a postgraduate degree at Griffith has many benefits. Whether that's future-proofing your career or changing your career, taking a step up with a promotion, or building your networks, a postgraduate degree enables you to make the change that you want. A postgraduate qualification can also be a faster way to upgrade your skills or change your career when compared to a bachelor degree, if you have the right experience. The entry requirements for postgraduate study varies, depending on the degree you're applying for. Some may require you to have a completed undergraduate degree, while others may not. Some require a certain grade point average, and in other instances, a level of industry experience may be required. If you have completed a bachelor's degree with the required GPA, you could be eligible for admission to a range of master's degrees. Or in some cases, if you have 3 to 5 years of relevant industry experience, you can do a graduate certificate or graduate diploma as a pathway to your master's degree. A graduate certificate could be completed in 6 months, and a graduate diploma could be completed in 1 year. These pathways are a much faster way to complete your study than doing a 3-year undergraduate degree. Griffith takes into account any prior learning, and you may be able to receive credit for this in combination with your experience, which can reduce the time it will take to complete your degree. This includes any postgraduate level study that you have completed at a university or a credentialed program, any non-formal learning such as workplace training, volunteer training, or other relevant experience. More information on credit can be found on our Degree Finder tool on the Griffith website. From the Apply tab, click on the Credit and Recognition of Prior Learning. You can go straight to the credit transfer page to apply or view our credit precedent database, which lists any credit that's previously been assessed for your chosen degree. If your study is not on the list, please submit a credit application. There are self-help resources available on the credit transfer webpage. Fee Help is a government loan scheme that is available to all Australian citizens. This can be a really helpful way to fund your postgraduate study. Under this scheme, you can borrow money from the government and then pay it back later once you're working. Or if you're currently working and earning over a certain amount, then you pay a little more tax each pay. Scholarships may be available to help reduce the cost of postgraduate study. Griffith offers a range of scholarships each year, including scholarships for academic achievement, equity support, First Peoples and sporting achievement. It's free and easy to apply. Best of all, you don't need to apply for multiple scholarships. Your one application will cover any scholarships where you meet the criteria. Postgraduate study can be incredibly beneficial to your future career, and the pathways to these programs are many and varied. To find out more about your individual pathway to postgraduate study at Griffith, call us, chat with us online, download a study guide, or research your options on our website.